Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you trendy soft silk blouse design for your stylish look. Friends, in the fashion world, I have always been aware of the timeless and attractive of soft silk sarees. But what truly elevates the entire outfit is the perfect blouse design. In this video, we are showing you 50 plus soft silk saree blouse design to elevate your entire outfit. This blouse design can transform your style and make you feel confident and beautiful. Friends, we know that soft silk saree are a staple in Indian world fashion, known for their luxury look, rich feel, and beautiful drap and vibrant color. These unique fabric have a power of instantly elevate any look. But the blouse design play a main role in enhancing the overall outfit. From intricate embroidery to unique neckline, sleeve, back neck design, the right blouse can truly make a statement and showcase your personal style. Friends, blouse is the foundation of saree ensemble and the right blouse design can create all the difference. A well fitted designer blouse can accentuate your future, make a flattering design and add a touch of elegance to your overall outfit. Friends, by exploring the latest trendy blouse design and experimenting with different styles, you can discover the perfect blouse that complement your body type, style, and personal preference. Friends, currently one of the most captivating trend in soft silk saree blouse design is a back neck detail. This kind of blouse design feature intricate embroidery, delicate lace, mirrorwork, stonework, or even a dramatic open back that add a touch of allure and sophistication to your ensemble. Friends, whether you prefer a high halter style back or blocking U-shaped, V-shaped neckline, these blouse can incidentally elevate your entire saree outfit. Friends, I think this video will helpful to you find out the best soft silk blouse design and elevate your look and feel like the fashion world. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. Thank you friends and keep watching.